Hello, hello, hello.
Well, hello.
We did a daytime adventure. This is my husband, Pat.
Hello, everyone.
And as you can see, we do have umbrellas, so it is raining. You'll never guess where we are at. So we went to the beach. We are in Lincoln City. And look at this ocean behind me. This is the best part of living in Oregon. We get to drive and see this. It takes us, what, an hour, hour and a half to get from Eugene and Springfield. And we're in Lincoln City. We get to listen to the ocean waves. And now the rain has stopped just a little bit. It's just kind of sprinkling. It's about 47 degrees, so it is a little chilly here at the beach. And we're going to this casino. We're gonna go spend about $20 and see how we do. We're at, what is this, Chinook Winds?
Chinook Winds Casino.
In Lincoln
and I
City.
feel lucky.